Today, we're comparing Claude Code and GitHub Copilot Agent, two of the most advanced AI tools for developers in 2025. Both are designed to supercharge coding, but they work in very different ways. On the left side of your screen, we have Claude Code. This is Anthropic's agentic terminal tool. It goes beyond autocomplete. You can ask it to set up a project, run scripts, or even debug an entire repo. Claude Code acts like a command line partner who understands context deeply, explains every change, and executes tasks step by step. On the right side, you'll see GitHub Copilot Agent. Built directly into GitHub and VS Code, it's designed for smooth integration into your workflow. Instead of switching windows, you just comment in your editor, and Copilot Agent writes full functions, tests, or config files in real time. It's optimized for speed, and because it's tied into GitHub, it can manage pull requests, suggest fixes, and keep everything synced to your repo. Here's the difference in action. On the left, Claude Code is scanning a Python project, explaining bottlenecks, and suggesting performance improvements with full reasoning. On the right, GitHub Copilot Agent is instantly generating a working API endpoint with just a natural language comment inside VS Code. So which one wins? It depends on how you code. If you want deep reasoning, transparency, and full command line control, Claude Code gives you an AI teammate who explains everything, but if you want seamless editor integration, speed, and GitHub native workflow automation, then GitHub Copilot Agent is the one to beat. The truth is, many developers may use both, one for reasoning heavy tasks, the other for quick coding boosts. Together, they're shaping the future of AI powered software development. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss my next AI tool breakdown.